Welcome back everybody to another video of Beginners Barbecue Outdoor. So guess what just arrived at the Beginners Barbecue Outdoors headquarters? A portable pellet grill from Cecarol. I think I'm saying the name right. They specialize in outdoor furniture and they just started getting into the pellet game. And the first thing they did was a portable pellet grill. They sent it here for me to check it out and show you guys what it is. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, let's open it. Alright, let's get everything out. Those are the grill grates. Now that looks nice. So as we see it, there's not a lot of assembly, which is great because I've done quite a few and it's nice to have one that's already pretty much there, done. And then you open this up and there should be one more box inside. So the box that has inside, I'm guessing it has the handle, the little tires. First thing, we're going to put the grease trap. Go real gently, real slow. This goes in here like that. That's how it goes. Our wheels go next to the grease trap in front. Another little stumps there. A little stumpy on the other side. And that's what you do on the bottom. Now put it back up. You have two of these black handles that go on the sides. On each side. One over here, one over there. Alright, so now that we have it set up, it takes you about 10-15 minutes tops to set it up. It was easy. Now, just like all the other ones, we have to make sure that the auger is running and the hot rod is working. And you guys know that process already. Let's see if it works. Alright guys, let's go ahead and turn it on. The light turns on. Now that it's on, let's go ahead and turn it into smoke. Just right off the bat guys, this is nice. I don't know if the camera can catch how nice it looks, but the whole digital, wow, they did a good job on that. So we have it on smoke. Now we're going to pay attention to make sure the auger's turning, and it is turning. And now we got to wait till the hot rod turns red. Put our hand in there. Make sure we feel the fan. Everything looks good so far. So it has here a probe too. So it comes with a probe connected in here. So that gives you one, so that's cool. Now it has a prime. So pretty much the prime is, once you turn it, you hold it and it moves the auger quick. And it doesn't stop, it just feeds quick to try to get that fire going. But the thing is, it only works within the first 4 minutes. After that, by then there's already pellets there, so pointless after that. So at the beginning stage, that's what the prime is for. Here it has a P setting, and this one you can adjust the smoke mode. There are 3 gear setting modes for smoke: P0, P1, and P2. Only available in smoke mode, so this is pretty cool. So you can set it where it gives you a lot of smoke. As you can see, we got smoke coming out, and the hot rod is working. So let's go ahead and shut it down, and let's go get some pellets. So you can use any wood pellets, as long as they're wood pellets. Any wood pellets you have will work. So I'm going to add a little bit of this Cecarol's fruit wood. I'm not going to add a lot because I'm going to move it. Good. It's like gold. So pretty much now that I know the hot rod's working, the auger is working, we can put everything back together. Once you close this, it has this little thing that just screws in there, locks this in place. There you go. So pretty much this works just like all the pellet grills. When you turn it on, make sure your lid's open, turn it on smoke, let it go. So right now we need to season the grill for 45 minutes. So once this is done, once it shuts down, we're going to put it on high. So once this is done, we're going to turn it back on smoke. You're going to see some smoke. Once it dies down, we close it and put it all the way high for 45 minutes. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Put it on smoke. So it's the first time, so it's going to take some time for the pellets to reach there. So we'll be back when it's ready. We're going to go ahead and hold the prime button to get the pellets moving a lot quicker. I hear the pellets. That was quick. Alright, now that the smoke died down a little bit, this is pretty cool too. Keeps it nice and locked. Go ahead and put it on high. It goes up to 450. So we'll be back in 45 minutes. Alright guys, so now that we have the burn off done already and this is ready to roll, we're going to go ahead and do some smoked burgers on this. I put the temperature at 350 degrees, should take about a half hour. So let's go ahead and get into this. I figured burgers was a good way to try this bad boy out. Alright, so I was able to fit 5 good sized patties in there, nice and comfortable. Now we're going to add my new favorite brisket rub, and it's good for all beef, even pork. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Go ahead and add some goodness in here. Alright, that smells so good. Alright, so we'll be back in about a half hour. Alright, they've been there for about 25 minutes, guys. Let's go ahead and see how they're looking. Oh, yeah. Just gonna give them a little flip. Oh, that's looking good. We'll be back. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and add the cheese for the last 5 minutes of the cook. Alright, the burgers are ready to come out. They look great. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, so the last part didn't record. For some reason the camera didn't record or anything like that. I don't know what happened. But the burger was delicious. I'll be taking this portable pellet grill camping in 2 weeks. We're gonna do some ribs, we're gonna do some smoked sausages. I'm excited to take this bad boy. It did a pretty good cook for the first time, so I'm pretty excited to keep using it. Make sure you guys check out the link in the description if you guys want to check them out. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.